Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 12th, 2020. We are going to speak on gold and give you all an update as to where the market is headed, because it's been a while. You guys can see our expectations. You all can see what the trap has done in regards to our expectations. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to give you all the update so we can get in position as to where the price of gold is headed. All right. So before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go that you subscribe to our channel. You hit that bell notification as well. You do not want to miss out on whenever we upload our content on this medium, because you're going to be left out. You will not get to see the next anticipated price movement within the commodity space. Also, October the 21st was the last time we did our video in gold. Now, initially, you can tell we played the strength into the market in gold, but not so much of a bullishness, but rather movement higher within a range. You can see that. You can also see that the trap, he performed initially opposite of what we expected him to do. But once you understand market language, you can also understand that there was no need or cause of concern. Why? Because we already identified a support area on this price chart for gold. So even though the market in gold initially went lower, let me zoom in and let you all see. Even though the market in gold went lower initially, we still identified an area of support right there around 1875. And that is literally where the trap came and hugged the market. Right? You can see that. Right here, the market in gold came and closed right there on our support area. Following day, we did go lower, but it wasn't substantial. Not at all. And immediately the next day, we came right back above our support area. And from there, we went higher. Ultimately came and grabbed out that TP on November the 9th. 3 days ago. Okay, so it took a while. It took a couple of days for the market to hit, for the trap to take the price of gold to our ultimate TP area. 2.2%. There you are. Overdone. Don't let no one come and tell you that you cannot predict price movement, because we've been doing it for 3 years here on this channel. All right, so what are we doing into the market in gold? What are we seeing? What is the feeling of the trap? That's the question that we need to address today in the market for gold. So, first question, what trend are we in? On a daily time frame, what trend are we in? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? What is the trend? I want you to let me know. Are we making higher lows, or are we making lower highs? Let's see. Are we in a downtrend? Or are we in an uptrend into the market and gold? Let me see. So that lets us know that it can be both. See, don't let no one come in and try to dictate to you what you see on your market. These are your own individual charts. As long as you can certify that what you're seeing is actually what the trap is going to do, you're good. So for what I'm seeing, we're both. It all depends on the time frame in which you are looking at the market. So the further out in time you go, we are in an uptrend in gold. But from this particular time period, just this alone, the market is in a downtrend. So that lets us know that we can actually see gold come all the way down here to around $1,800, and we'll still see the market in an uptrend still on a longer time frame. So this would be the sweet spot right here in gold to buy more, because we have identified the area of which the trap has been holding a market price. So yeah, we're kind of overextended, but not by much. But yeah, this is the sweet spot right there. Okay. So yes, the market in gold on the daily time frame is following this trend right here, downtrend. I already told you the market can come to around $1,800, maybe $1,815, and bounce there for support. You can already tell that we created a double bottom once back here in September, and now once again on November the 11th, 12th. All right. So here we are. We're in a descending triangle. I don't understand why so many people make it so difficult. 2-day chart, what are you seeing? Strength and weakness. One of the glaring things that we need to pay attention to is this market right here of what occurred on the last 2-day price bar on November the 6th. Literally. Got to pay attention to that, and also pay attention to 1880. That area is restriction. Market in gold will not go higher until we see the price break back up above 1880, and then eventually 1920. Okay. So what are you seeing into the market in gold? Do you see strength or weakness? Because currently I see weakness. Yeah, you probably don't want to hear that, but we're giving you all the news unbiased. We're not going to tell you what we see, what we think, or what we feel. We're just literally telling you what we're seeing on the chart according to the trap, and he's feeling weak. So I think you know what our forecast is going to be. We're going to play some of this market weakness in gold. Okay. And we're going to hold restriction around $1,900. The only thing that would make this forecast obsolete and invalid is if this market holds 1850. That's it. Market comes in and hugs 1850 again like it already done. This forecast that I'm creating is not going to be right. I'm here to let you know that now. So we're going to play some of this weakness into the market in gold. Obviously, ultimate TP would be around 1815, which is about 3% from where we're at. But I'm looking around 1840, 1850 to where the market can actually tag out there too for support. So we'll have the TP a little bit there too as well. So it's about 1.5%. So either or, one of those two. And that's it. We're going to sit back and let the trap work while we get in position. So this is our thoughts, our opinion. Now was your turn. What are your thoughts and your opinion about gold? Where are we headed? I want you to let me know. Give me a comment in the comment section, and then tell me where is your TP price at, and get in position. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.